Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to set name password in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to set your name password, so guys you can set. In this video guys, I will show you how to set name password. So well, let's see how to set name password. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys scroll it and guys come in your security setting. Guys click on screen lock, draw your pattern and guys click on this last one guys, complex password. And guys you can set your name password from here. So guys example for guys we will take a name. So guys I will take this Ravi guys, again guys Ravi. Next guys same spelling, don't do any mistake. Then guys, so guys now let's see guys name password has set or not. So as you can see now we have name password. So I hope friends you have understood how to set name password in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.